Ever wonder why a sneeze feels like it ambushes you, but somehow your body knew first? Alright, this is wild. Before you even scrunch your face, your brain's trigeminal alarm system fires a tiny warning signal. It's like a microscopic panic button going, "Yo, incoming dust missile." And here's the freaky part. Your brain starts prepping the sneeze. A full 2 to 3 seconds before you feel anything. Your eyes water, your breathing shifts, and your diaphragm winds up like it's charging a sneeze-powered explosion. And sometimes, your brain cancels the sneeze mid-launch, leaving your whole face confused. Which means you've had invisible sneezes your entire life.